clear and hot. Here we go. KIG 86.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County, Ohio, southwestern Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County, northwestern Ross County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Washington Courthouse, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. So, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Mount Sterling, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Staunton, Good Hope, Clarksburg, Deer Creek Lake, Jasper Mills, Madison Mills, State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22, Rock Mills, New Martinsburg, Pancosburg, and Plano. The National Weather Service in